Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day today. And as always, right now we're going to start out with the basics, repeat purchases. So I did get some foam plates, 30 count, 140 paper towels, the my size ones, Good Sense handle kitchen bags, a box of tissues. I got, today I wanted to share with you guys, they had cotton nail 4-row toilet paper. I just got one of these and I got two of the home store, but I don't have that shown here. But I just wanted to share with you guys the cotton nail. I got a AA, AAA batteries from Sunbeam. Love these batteries. They work in Xbox One controllers, Xbox 360 controllers, and a few AAAs for some Christmas items that I know are coming. So got those. I got some Palmolive Soft Touch dish soap and some hand sanitizer. Now on to the fun stuff. So real quick, I want to share these items with you too. I just got a gray hand towel for my bathroom. I got one of these table placemats in this design. It's gray and white. How crazy that all this stuff's gray. But this is to set my dog food and water bowls on top of. And so I got that. And then I picked up this rug. It's got like a geometric kind of design thing going on. This basically was all that they had. It's like a navy blue and a gray. And it is what it is. And it's for my makeup area. It is a 16 by 24 inch classic rug. Some storage items because I've been redoing my nail polish and like some makeup stuff. I just got this Essentials organizer with lid. I usually ditch the lid and just use the separated container. I did get a black wired rectangle basket. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. And I did pick up 3 more 2-packs of these white long rectangle storage bins for nail polish storage. Find these cute hamburger and french fry socks for Connor. They come in a 3-pack, so you get this cute pair, a solid gray pair, and a gray and black stripes. So 3 pairs for $1. Always, you cannot beat that. I did pick up this 2-pack of the magic gloves. I love purple, so I got purple and I got a black. And those will definitely come in handy because it is so cold here in Kentucky already. I picked up a couple items that everybody's been hauling and I have not found yet. But I got the Calm Birch Water Body Cleansing Wipes. There's 15 from Secret. And yeah, they are just body cleansing wipes. So I thought that I would try these. Also, everybody been hauling the Assured brand feminine cleansing cloths in the creamy coconut. They also had an orange one there. You get 24 of them. They are 7.1 inches by 5.5 inches. I'm sure they will do what they're supposed to. Another random find are finally these Jot pencil grips. 10 for $1, can't beat it. I got these for Connor. Thought that would really help him learn how to hold the pencil completely correctly. Let's hope. Because right now he kind of holds it wrong still and then sometimes right. So I'm hoping these will help. I did get some food items. I did get some more of this marshmallow unicorn poop. These are yummy and it's just fun. Sour Patch Kids Tropical. I got this for a gift basket I'm putting together, but these are the Queen Anne Cordial Cherries. You get 5 in here. It's not like the greatest deal, but just for the basket I'm putting together, I like that. I did get some of this Fruit Stripes gum, and I always loved this when I was a child, so I thought this would be a perfect stocking stuffer for Connor. Because I'm just now allowing him to have like gum and stuff because I was so afraid to be like in his, curly hair and all over my furniture or whatnot. But he's been doing really good with it, so I thought that would be a fun treat for his stocking. And I did find some really cute kind of stocking stuffers and things like that at the Dollar Tree today. So I got this 2-pack of Lego Men. All the kids love these. I don't know who those are going to yet, but they love them. And then these little squishies, Spider-Man, Batman. They had Captain America, Superman, Black Panther, and Flash, I believe. But these are, you know who's 2 favorites. So I decided that I would put them back for him. Little beauty kind of owl, health and beauty owl. They have the Skuncy items, of course, and I got this one piece, and it's like a leopard or cheetah print. I'm all about that kind of print, so it's just that. And then I found another fun find. I know this haul is a little all over the place, but it's kind of disorganized and I'm losing the sunlight. It's getting dark, so I'm trying to hurry. But I got this jumbo coloring book, an activity book, and it's Pirates. It has 4 free song downloads and a matching game. How fun is that? But look at some of these pictures. Like, Connor loves like Pirates of the Caribbean. He played the Lego game. And yeah, he's seen bits and pieces of the movies, but he does like pirates, so I thought that would be a nice just thing to have for Christmas. I'm going to save my favorite finds for last as always, but I want to get into sharing with you some Christmas items I did find. Now this is another like food item, but I wanted to save this for the Christmas stuff that I found. And this is Santa's doghouse, and there is 3 doggies, and it says this one's been very naughty, knocked over the tree, and ate Christmas gifts. I don't know, I thought these were cute for the kids because there is Connor, Aiden, Allie, so I just thought those would be kind of cute for those for them. And I got some of these 15 count treat bags because I'm going to make some candies, and I just thought this would be so cute. I thought they would be so cute for the candies to go in and give us gifts. I also make my dad peanut butter cookies every single year, so those will be perfect for that. I picked up a 2 count bags, so this cute little bag and this reindeer for a couple gifts that I have. And I also picked up these 2-pack boxes. I will have a picture inserted of these, but it's Merry and Bright. And the other one says, don't open until Christmas. Once again, I'll have a picture of those in their entirety. This one has Happy Holidays with a penguin and a snowman in a globe. And then it says, have a very Merry Christmas with an elf and some penguins. Super cute stuff, you guys. I also got some wrapping paper. I love Elf, and I just think this is so funny. I love Will Ferrell in general. So I got the Elf Christmas paper. I didn't expect to find this at mine, but they had it, so we grabbed it. And then I also got the plaid. Let's turn it around this way. The plaid, and they actually go together pretty well. So anyways, I just got 2 new papers to add to what I already have. Also, in the Christmas stuff, I'll also take a picture of this because I don't think I can get it all in frame. This is a handled plastic like bucket, and it says believe in the magic of Christmas. And I thought that I would fill this up with some random gift stuff that I have for Connor, put it under the tree, and use it again next year and years after, as long as it will last. And another Christmassy item I did find, and I didn't expect to get any kind of mugs, but I had to have this one with the Santa and the camper. I just had to. I grew up camping, and we have had campers and RVs and stuff like that, and I thought this was too cute to pass up. And another Christmas item I found that was near the Christmas stuff is a luminescence candle, and it's in chestnut clove. Smells really good. It's in that oval kind of jar. Now on to my favorite finds. This find I absolutely love. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but for $1, and this was up there with the Christmas items, look at this awesome like vase jar. I don't even know, but they have these in clear black and I think a lighter gray bluish color. Has a cute little silver bow tied on there. Lots of space on this, you guys. I think I'm gonna put cotton balls or something in this, like a whole bag would fit in there. Another fun thing I found, these little shadow box picture like clothesline things. I don't know what they're really called, but it says Wild and Free, and it has this beautiful floral background, and I thought how cute would have a beautiful picture of my baby boy in this in my nail makeup area. I just love that idea. Some movies. So we're nearing towards the end here, but this even has like a sleeve to it. But I picked them up, the DC Supervillains, The Penguin. These are actually long movies too, you guys. 156 minutes. So I got The Penguin. I got Batman Gotham Knight, because, you know, he knows he loves his Batman. 76 minutes. Yeah. He loved the Scooby-Doo one I bought and had the haul in the last haul. He loved that one. I couldn't find any more Scooby-Doo ones today, so I regret not grabbing more the other day. And then my favorite one that I found was the Kung Fu Panda Holiday. And this used to be on Netflix, and he used to watch this when he was younger. And I can't see. This is only 25 minutes, but I still think it's worth $1, considering that I know he'll really like this one. So dollar DVDs, can't beat it. And last but not least, my most favorite finds were from the beauty aisle, and I've been seeing people haul these lashes. Okay, so look how cute this packaging is. Basically, they are 3D faux mink lashes, and these are called Wispy Cat Eye Crisscross. Okay, that's those. I picked up the Natural Doll Medium. I only picked up ones that I would wear personally. Wispy Doll Crisscross. I absolutely love the packaging on these. So darn cute. And yeah, basically that's everything I got. There was a lot of items, I feel like. And yes, that's everything I got. And I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Well, stay tuned for more hauls and Dollar Tree fun. Check the description box for additional links. There's so many links down there, you guys, to other content. Don't forget to check out the cards and subscribe, like the video. Don't forget to ring the bell. And I thank you guys so very much. I'm gonna get this stuff put away now. Thank you guys so much for watching.